I love me some egg. That's real love.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What's the most Mexican? They have salsa. Yeah, they make it from scratch.
It was like in a
That's the low calorie chili sauce. Okay. Can I eat this one?
yes.
Oh.
Which
one?
Oh, damn.
There we go. Ooh.
Okay, next time. It tastes better when you eat it with everybody.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that was the best one so. We got oysters.
Yeah. I'm gonna go for this guy right here. The closest one to me. Take some of that juice out. I like to add a little bit of salt. Yeah.
Limon?
You put lemon already?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's good.
I hate that I have Sorry.
A little bit of the wet. What is this again? Mango hot.
Sprinkling everything everywhere.
It's a little sweet.
Was this like triple fried? I thought it was like triple fried or something. I'm not mad at it. I like it better than those. Yeah.
I like those better than this one too. This clam chowder. This a try. It's good.
Yeah?
It's thick with like 6 seeds. We got some catfish. Ooh. And dip it in the sauce.
What do you think?
Pretty good. Pretty good.
Definitely salty, fluffy, crunchy.
I like the batter on it.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's not bad.
Pretty good.
I'd probably give it 7.5.
I'd give it like a 7. I like a 6 or a 7, yeah.
Yeah. Like these are actually really sweet.
So good.
Yeah.
Yum. So yum.
Okay. Garlic butter. That's a different taste, I feel like.
Yum. Let's see how this is. I bet this is good. These are. I know. I'm so sorry, dude.
No, you're good. Dating is we become more.
Eating.
What he does is he. Okay, like. It is super crispy. That's saltiness. I definitely take it.
We got Cajun wings.
Dude, what?
Is this ranch? I hope this is ranch.
Yeah. This is a very unique taste.
Is that flat? No,
I think it's kind of sweet. It's good though. It's really good.
It's seasoned. Like I think they just fried it and then put the sauce on it.
Yeah, it's kind of got a weird like. I don't know how to explain it. It's good, but it's like I don't know. It's not lemon pepper. I don't think it's lemon pepper.
Like wiping my hands on the table. Oh, she said sweet. Really?